Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got a Lockwood MT5 here. I'm sorry, MT5 Plus. I don't have a key for it, so I'm pushing those sliders over. I got this courtesy of Down Under Monkey, so big thanks to you, and I will have something heading your way very shortly. Alright. I gotta click on one, click on two, still binding. Alright, two feels set. Three. Let's go back here to five. That was pin one, two, two again, three, two again, three again, there we go. Let's see if we can, hopefully one is our one enter to set. Nope. Two. There we go. We'll leave it like that. Let's see. Stick it there, but I'm not going to use that pinning tray because I'm already using it. Find an empty one. We'll stick it right there. Try to do this without locking it. Let's see. Follower. I was gonna push that up my finger. I know better than that. See a little ball bearing. Yep. And strap our sidebar. And grab that sidebar spring. Get out of there. There we go. You don't want to lose that. See, that was pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4. Let me dig that alpha pin out. These don't like to come out. There we go. Oop. Oh shit. There's a wafer on there. I just dropped, there it is. You know, to come to think of it, I didn't even mess with that. Yeah. That's, well, I had to have bumped it. It's almost flush, not quite. Why you would master alpha spring makes no sense. We'll just put that there. Dig it out. This is why I was trying to do it the other way. There. Okay. Alright, let's get our sliders. Since I don't have a key for this, I guess it really doesn't matter which order they come out in, but two. 3, 5, 4, and you guys can see nothing fancy to the plug. Go ahead and show you the sidebar. See, nothing's been done to it. Alright, let's get the drivers out. Alright, 1, 2, 3. That springs there. These two seem stuck, probably from that. We'll get them out in a second. 4, 5, 6, 7, Let's see. Yeah, I guess they're bent over or crimped over a little bit. Here's the other one. And our last one. And I just launched it, but you guys seen me launch it, so you know it was there. Alright guys, let's see. You can see the mastering on the sliders. We got 2 false gates on these 3 and 1 really large true gate. So I'm sorry, 2 true gates on these and 1 really large one on each of these. 4 out of the 5 key pins are solid. They're not pin and pin like this one. And that all goes to mastering, I guess. I've always heard these Lockwoods were really mastered, and there's that spring. I did take out a bunch of master wafers. Apparently I missed that one on that alpha spring, but these were in the lock too, and I just kind of chucked them out just to make the lock a little harder. And that's it for the Lockwood MT5 Plus. Alright guys, thanks for watching.